Good morning. This is Vijay Gaur, Principal SMR International School Safidon. I welcome you on the behalf of management, principal, staff, and the student of this beautiful school, SMR International School. I also welcome heartily the CBSE Virtual Inspection Committee members. First, Mrs. Upasana Yadav, Principal, Army Public School, Bengaluru, Karnataka, and our second worthy member of the committee, Mr. S. Kanan, Principal, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Bengaluru, Karnataka. This beautiful school is situated on the highway Kasand Road, Safido, and this is the school premises from where you can see this school. This is the parking area of SMR International School. Now I will take you on the virtual inspection of SMR International School for the upgradation of the senior secondary level of this school. Let us come inside. These are the two entry point of the SMR International School. Now let us move inside. This is all precautions for the COVID-19, which generally we are taking throughout the day in the school, whenever whoever so used to come in the school. This is the front side of my school. This is the boundary, and this is the reception area. This is the mini pool of the junior students. Here they can enjoy, and certain toys and all these swings are also here, where the junior students they come for their sports activities in the school. And we are taking care of all the safety measures for the junior students in the school. This is our field. Here we are having the track of 200 meters where the student practice for the running athletic events are there in my school. And this is the complete track of the 200 meter where the students have all type of the exposure as far as the athletic is concerned. In middle of the ground you can see yourself, this is the cricket pitch also. We also utilize this same ground for the cricket event also. We organize inter-house matches for the cricket also. And after that you will see we have the volleyball court also here. We have provided the space for the volleyball for the school students, where all groups, middles and seniors, they used to come for the inter-house practices as well as for the matches also in the school. Now we are moving towards certain other courts, like we have arranged the kabaddi court also. Here the student practice for their kabaddi match and all that. The instructors used to be there all the time. They just according to the schedule, they used to teach them all the tricks of the kabaddi, how to play kabaddi. And then we have the another one more thing here, that is the kho ground here. Here the girls and the boys, they used to come and they used to play and enjoy, and they get fresh also for the next term for the studies. So this is also for the football and the hockey ground also. We use it for the both the purposes. We have all the goal points and all that arrangements we have done very nicely in the school. Now I will take to you, this is the back side of my school. You can see this is the boundary of my school, which is well protected for the safety point of view for the students. I would also like to tell you, this is the basketball court for the student. Here they used to play in the evenings also, and in the school time also. Whenever they have the sport classes regularly, they used to come here to play the basketball. Cyber side, this place is also utilized for the morning assembly, and we conduct all the activities in the school here at this point as a assembly ground. This is our mini theater also, open theater also. All type of the cultural activities we are also undertaking here at this point. Now I will take to you towards the extreme side of my school, where you can see that we have made arrangement for all the safety precautions for the students, and keeping in view, you can see the sides of the school walls, they are well less set here also. This is the corridor which we have kept the side only. Now let us move towards that. This is the generator we have placed here, because whenever there is a shortage of electricity, the students should not suffer, they should not have any type of the problem. And now again, after crossing all the three sides, again we are at the front side of the school. This is the face of my school, that is SMR International School, and we have maintained it in a very nice manner so that the student can come here for all round development, because school is such a thing where they learn the life, because from here whatever we are giving them is going to happen in their life. This is the reception of my school, where we entertain everybody who used to come here. Please, you are also welcome, come inside. And these are the staff members who used to look after the reception area. They help the parents also, they help the students also, and in this manner we used to receive them here. Now I will take to you in the academic block of the school. Please come with me. This is the way from where we just start with the academic block. This is principal room. This is my room where I used to sit and do the work for my school. And after that, let us move towards the next. This is my director room. This is the management room, and the director sir used to sit here in this office. And let us move towards the administrator room. This is our conference room also. All the teachers, we used to discuss different things here in this office only. And after certain taking decisions, we used to plan the further steps of our school. Now, I would like to take you in my school's mathematics lab. Here, the student used to come do the practical activities in the mathematics. So let us come inside. Let me introduce with my maths faculty. I'm just handing over to ma'am.
Hello, I'm Poonam Sharma, maths coordinator. I'm teaching maths here, and my qualification is MSc B.Ed.
And I am Ritu Verma. I am teaching mathematics from past 3 years, and I have master degree in management and commerce, and my professional qualification is B.Ed with teaching subject of maths and commerce. Now take a route of our mathematics lab. Okay, this is abacus model which is used to calculation and counting. This is our place value chart. There students can easily understand the concept of the how to find out the place value of different numbers. This is fractional. Here we find out the what is the difference between and how the fraction becomes the part of whole. This is all the figures you can see easily. This is our geometrical portion. Here we have different figures so that students can easily learn the concepts. Here our 3D pics, 3D shapes are here. When the students are get connected here, then they can easily find out easily understand the concept and ages of all the figures. This is our time and clock section. Time and clock section, here we also indicate different measure how to 1 minute revolve 1 degree. When the students come in our lab, our math practically energize them to ask the question from us. This is type of angles, where we indicate different types of angles. What is reflex angles, what is obtuse angles, what is acute angles. There are different types of angles. Now this is data handling. Data handling, in this we have the graph where students practically understand the concept, what is x-axis, what is y-axis, and all the concept about the bar graphs. Here we have different balls where 1 centimeter measure one ball. Thank you. And this is our probability section, means the chance of occurrence of any event. Here we have different cards, dice, knots, and this is all the section where we know all the practical knowledge about each and every chapter of maths. As a teacher, I would like to say that I focused on the conceptual building of the students so that our students can easily enhance the power of their learning capacity, and they will motivate and they will understand and they will eliminate the boredom of the textbook. Thank you so much.
This is my chemistry lab, and here the student used to come. This school is still up to 10th class. We are requiring the upgradation, and we have prepared mentally and physically for the classes 11th and 12th. Let us come inside of the chemistry lab. I'm going to hand it over to our chemistry teacher. Please.
Thank you, sir. Well, myself Bharti Sharma from chemistry department, and this is our chemistry lab. I want to show you our lab. So first of all, I want you to have a look at the do's and don'ts that first of all students go through while they are working in chemistry lab, because they should keep the precautions in their mind when they are working inside the chemistry lab. Also, our students, before entering the chemistry lab, they wear proper coats for the safety purpose. Now, this is the area where we keep our chemicals and reagents that students require while working. And I want to show you the cupboards where these chemicals and reagents are kept under lock and key, and they are taken out only under the supervision of their teachers. So these are all the chemicals. I want to show you the magnesium metal ribbon, and this is red litmus paper. This one is blue litmus paper, and rest all chemicals and reagents which we require for the students of senior secondary level. Proper gas connections are there. So next I want to show you the work area of the students where they are going to perform their activities and the experiments which they are going to do here. So this one is the wire gauze, and this one is tripod stand. This is the gas connection. Okay. So this one is the test tube holder, spatula, tongue, glass rod, and proper beakers are there for the measurement of chemicals. After that, I want to show you the round bottom flask. Then we have conical flask. This one is the keep, china dish, proper test tube stands we have. We have different kinds of measuring cylinders. We have burette stand and burettes for the measurement for the working of the students. And all this is proper on every table so that students can work in groups and they can get a chance to do their experiments well. We have proper water connection at every table which is working. Okay, next I want to show you all the charts which are displayed on the walls so that students can have a visual of everything which they are studying in the theory classes. And this one is the chemistry lab stock register which we have maintained properly so that we can have a record of all the chemicals and reagents and all the apparatus which we are using in the chemistry lab for the students. Well, that's all about my chemistry lab.
Thank you, ma'am. Now let us move towards the next segment of my school. These are the classroom, and this is class first class, and we can see it also, and these are class second classrooms, junior student on the ground floor, so that they should have comfort to just come in the classes. This is all our junior classes. Now this is our art and craft room. Here the teachers who are specialized in the art and craft, they used to teach the student different type of the art items. You might have seen on the boards also. This is done by the students and the in the guidance of our teachers. So let us move in the art room, and this art room is maintained by these two faculty of my school, and I'm just going to tell you that both of them, they are qualified, and all type of the things which we are teaching to the student is through the wisdom wisdom of these teachers and the experiences of their teachers. I want that teachers should introduce themselves.
Myself Radha Sharma.
Myself Deepak Pulia.
And these are the art teachers. They used to teach each and everything: cut work, painting work, stencil work, all type of the work they are going to teach the student. You can see on the walls, this is prepared by the student only. And I want to add, the students are dying just to come for this class, because they used to have a good masti over there, because they are doing the work as per their own choice. Teachers guide them. They make them sometime open just to paint whatever they imagine, whatever they want to do. So this is our art room of our school. Now let us move towards the next segment of my school, and this is my indoor game room. Here we are having certain indoor sports, as you have seen outside. We have certain grounds and playgrounds over there. This is the indoor sports room of our school, and he is our PTI sir who look after this entire room, and they call the student as per their schedule, and they used to come here and play the indoor games. This is our staff room for the junior teachers here. They can come here, they can sit and they can do their work, they can do all the activities which are required in the school as a correction and all that stuff. They can make a discussion over there. So this was the staff room, and I would like to show you my washroom of this floor of this segment. This is the washroom for the boys. Next segment of my school, let us come to the first floor. We have a biology lab here. Ma'am is with us, Ma'am Seema. She is the biology teacher, and this is the room where we just look after these exercise and the practical work of the subject biology. I am going to hand over the mic to Ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm Seema from Biology Department. Today I am representing my biology lab. These are the 3D charts to explain the different organ systems like human excretory system, human respiratory system, and digestive system, and also human reproductive system, human circulatory system, and this is used for human skeletal system. And these are the microscopes used by the students to check the slides. Firstly, slide preparation. These are the apparatus used for the slide preparation, and this is the microscopes used to watch the slides. After that, this is the model of the human. After that, this is used for check the human heart. These are the specimens used by the students to check the different organisms. This is used for identify the parts of the eyes, teeth, and ear also. These are used by this. And this is the whiteboard to make the diagram to identification for the students. Animal cell model also. You can check. And this is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So this was a brief visit of our biology lab, where the student used to come for the practical work of the different chapters. Now I want to show you the classroom also. This is one classroom. Here the student used to come and sit only, and they study. The different lectures are being organized here as per their schedule. This is a classroom. Let us move towards the next thing, that is the proposed classrooms for the 12th class. Here we are having library also. So we have designed like that कि senior most class for the discipline point of view. We have designed the 3 classes for 12th here, all the 3 streams. So this is our proposed class 12th humanity room. You can check it. This is the room only which we have kept only for class 12th humanity. At least 30 students, they can sit together and they can have their study here in this class for the 12th, for the humanity department. Now let us move towards the library. This is the school library, and let us have a look over here. This, I am going to introduce yours, ma'am, librarian ma'am. Ma'am Poonam is here. She will tell you about the library.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the library. I am Poonam Khar, working here as a librarian. As you know, learning is a process of adventure and library is a hub of knowledge. I would like to have you look at the library. We have divided our library in different sections. This is our circulation section, circulation counter. We can do issue and return our books from here. After that, we can see our book stock section. This is our science section, and after that this is our English section, and then we can see our English section as well as math section. After that we can see our Hindi book stock and information technology stock. Now we can see our social studies and environmental studies section. Then we can see our notice section. Here we can see library rules, carrying our books and book care rules. After that we can see our other book stock sections. Here is Hindi story books. We can see our reference books, then novels, English story books, Hindi, biography and English. Then we can see our newspaper sections. Here students can read different newspapers and make ourselves update. Then we can see our other newspaper section area, and after that we can see our reading section. Here our 50 students can sit and read books at the same time. We have approximate 3,298 books for them. Here we can see for all of our record, accession register, library issue register, periodical register and newspaper account register for all the records. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. This was our library section where the student enrich their knowledge, quench their thirst of the knowledge. They used to come and get the book issued. They used to sit here. They also study here the different type of the books here. Now let us move towards the next step. These 2 rooms we have maintained, and these are the proposed room for the class 12. As I told you, keeping in our mind the discipline, as the library is here and the examination room is also with us. So we have maintained the 12th class student here. This is our proposed class for the 12th commerce. You can see we have the new furniture, new room, everything is new here. And this we have proposed for the class 12th commerce here. And let us move towards the next room. This is the proposed class 12th science room, and here you can also see this is the new furniture, new room, new board, everything we have kept reserved only for the class 12 student, for which we are requesting the CBSE for the upgradation. Let us move towards the next section. Now This is the examination room of the school where the examination cell used to be functional. All type of the examination, planning, date sheet, checking, correction, result making is being done by here. She is Miss Charu. She is the examination controller or the in charge of this room, or the coordinator of examination of school, and she used to sit here, and she used to have all the information about everything here on the notice board. These are the machines where she used to take the help to design the date sheet and everything to conduct the smooth examination in our school. So we used to practice the CBSE examination in our school home examination also. We follow all those type of the things so that the student should not face any type of the problem over here. This is, I told you, the first floor. Again, on the first floor we have the washroom separately for the boys and the girls. As I told you, this is the senior classes I show you. So this is the washroom for the senior boys, and you can again see we have maintained a very cleanliness here in these washrooms for the senior boys of class 9, 10th, 12th. These are the classrooms for the middle students. This is third A2 classroom. You can see this is well set classroom, and these are the smart classrooms. Everything is well set. Student can have the smart board also here. You can see when the teacher want to use it, they can use here the smart board, and when they want to teach themselves and in this manner, they can use this as a whiteboard for the studies, or the teaching learning process can be carried out. So these are the rooms for the middle east of my school. You can see the glance of the ground here also, the vast lush green ground we have maintained for the students. And these are again the classrooms which I have showed you right now. So you can have a look also from there, the ground also. You can see from here how it look like, how much green it is, and how the cleanliness and all that is being maintained by the school staff or school employees. Let us move towards the further more classes. These all classes are like, this is the fourth classroom, and this is certain boards where we used to display. This is the fifth classroom, and side by side this is again the fifth A2 room. Now let us move towards these segment on this floor. This is the staff room for the senior teachers. They used to come and sit, and they used to do their work. This is our staff room for the senior teachers. They have their lockers also here to keep their stuff. These teachers are here. I would like to specially introduce Secretary Ma'am. This is the staff secretary chosen by the staff itself only for the welfare of the teacher and the staff members only. Mrs. Pinky, she is our staff secretary, look after all the staff activities and all that type of things are under the responsibility of ma'am. This is the notice board here where all the important circulars, orders, informations for the staff used to be displayed over there. And this is well set staff room by this SMR International School. Let us move towards again this segment. I told you this is again one floor where the certain senior or middle class used to sit. This is again the washroom for them separately. So this is for the washroom for the boys. As you can see here, how it has been maintained, the cleanliness and all that stuff. You can see yourself along with me in this virtual inspection. Let us move towards, this is the water cooler for drinking water. As I told you, we have the RO system from where we can have the good drinking water. This is the girls' washroom for this block or this floor. And again, we have, girls, they have certain things here which they require some time. And this is the washroom or the sheets, you can say. You can see the cleanliness, the light provisions, the ventilations, everything is quite clear. You can see yourself, hand wash and all that. Again, I was telling you that every washroom have a separate this type of system for the drinking water, so that at the outside they can have the provision for the good drinking water. This is the water cooler, as I told you, we have placed. These are the classes, and suppose this is the 7th class. Again, the same system is there. The student, 30 student at least, they can sit here. This is quite airy and well ventilated, although the school is quite AC school, but as far as the light is concerned, they are quite full of light and visibility is there nicely. And these are the rooms for the class 8th, and these are the rooms which I would like to show specially. This is the proposed class 11 science. There at that corner you have seen the 12th class. This is the room which the teachers have tried to maintain it like this thing they have displayed, and they have proposed for the class 11 here for the science group. Again, this is the proposed class 11th commerce room, for which we are requesting CBSE for the upgradation. So this is the room which we are proposed for the class 11. This is empty room for the student for the class 11. Next year we would like to have the admissions over here in the class 11, and simultaneously this is the class 11th humanity. You can see this room we have kept reserved for the class 11th humanity. Here the student of arts group, they can sit and they can study. This is the classroom meant for the class 11th, proposed class 11th humanity. So this is the proposed portion of the class 11th and 12th. After this proposed class 11th humanity, we would like to visit the physics lab of our school, where the student will come for the physics practicals and all that. So he is our physics teacher. I am going to just hand over the mic to Mr. Rajat. He will tell you about the physics lab.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Rajat Sharma. I am working as a science teacher here. As you can see that our lab is well equipped with all the instruments and equipments which are required for the practicals from 9 to 12 standard. As you can see that we put up some informative charts on the wall which are required for the students. Let me show you one of them, some of them the practicals and instruments which are used by the students. So here let's start with the potentiometer. This is the potentiometer which is used to find out the EMF of the cell. These are some magnets, these are horseshoe magnets, rectangular magnets. This is the meter bridge which is used to find the unknown resistance. These are the spring balance which are used to find out the weight of the object. This is the optical bench which is used to find out the focal length. These are the some magnetic compass which are used to find out the north and south directions. Here we have maintained a stock register also. This is the physics lab stock register in which we have maintained all the records of the instrument which are available in our labs. So these are some glass slabs and the glass prism which are used to find out the angle of deviation. This is the sonometer which is used to find out the vibration of the sounds in the string. This is the resistance box. Here we can show you the battery eliminator which provide the current. This is the galvanometer which detect the current in the circuit. This is the ammeter which can measure the current. This is the voltmeter which can measure the voltage. This is the Ohm's law apparatus which is used to find out the resistance of the circuit. These are some weights which are used to find out the weight of some objects. This is the vernier caliper which is used to find out the diameter of the any wire, any object. This is screw gauge which is also used for the same. These are some PNP transistor which are used as a oscillator and the rectifier machines. This is a PN junction diode. Here we can show you some of extra our apparatus which are put them in Almira. These are extra ammeters and the galvanometers and the voltmeter. These is the connecting wires. These are the spring balances extra. These are some magnets. These are some mirrors and lenses, battery. These are some glass slabs. This is the Newton disc which is used to study the white light. This is a telescope which is used to see the distant object. This is a dry cell, kaleidoscope. Here are some vernier caliper. This is all about our physics lab. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rajat. This was a brief virtual visit of physics lab of our SMR International School. Now, after covering this first floor, let us come at the part of the ground floor, that is the second segment of this academic block of our school. This is the ground floor, and we used to keep ground floor for the certain labs and the junior most students. You can see the classroom is here for the very junior student, LKG, UKG students. They used to sit here, and let's after this thing, I would like to visit along with you virtually here for this medical room. This is the medical room. Here we have appointed a nurse who is very well qualified, and this is meant for the student during the school time. If anybody is unwell or some thing has happened to them, so we used to treat them here. We have the qualified visiting doctor also in the school. So this is the arrangement for the medical help for the students whenever they have any type of this type of the problem. Now let us move towards the this segment. This is again the washroom for the junior most student. I would like to show you also this thing. This is the junior student. I told you in the ground floor we have the junior classes. So they are tiny washrooms where they can reach, they can come, and these are the small size washrooms, and the sheets for them, which is very much convenience for them just to use them. They are meant for them only, like this only. So this is for, you can see also here we have another one for the student of the junior level. Now we are moving towards the music department of SMR International School, where the students used to get the knowledge of the music. Now let us move towards the music department. He is Mr. Gavinder, our music teacher. He is going to introduce about the music department.
Myself is Gavinder Singh. I am a music teacher from SMR International School. So मैं आपको कुछ म्यूज़िक के बारे में आपको बताऊंगा. तो म्यूज़िक के बारे ही क्या, आपको यहाँ के माहौल के बारे में बताऊंगा कि एक म्यूज़िक रूम में क्या माहौल हो सकता है. ये वो माहौल है जहाँ हम बैठ के इकट्ठे बैठकर सभी साधना करते हैं, स्वर की साधना करते हैं, और स्वरों के साधना के राही हम एक प्रभु की भी आराधना करते हैं, जिससे हम उस भगवान के साथ भी जुड़े रहें. और ये एक ऐसा माहौल है जो हमें कहाँ से कहाँ तक लेके जा सकता है. ओके, तो फर्स्टली मैं आपको सबसे पहले कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंटल हैं उनके बारे में इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना चाहूँगा. ये है कीबोर्ड है, वो इधर गिटार है, एंड ये वो स्थान है, वो जगह है जहाँ हम बैठ के बच्चों के साथ स्वर आलाप की साधना करते हैं और रागों की नॉलेज दी जाती है यहाँ बच्चों को. एंड ये है हारमोनियम है, तबला है, ये कोंगो है, ये ड्रम है, एंड ये पीटी ड्रम है. ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
Now this was the music room of our school, where the student used to come for having knowledge of the music. Now we are moving towards the next segment, that is the dance room, and there we will show you how the students are going to learn the art of dancing. All the students love to come with ma'am. She is our dance teacher. Everybody used to like to come here because they enjoy here like anything, because we have the music system here, the mirrors are here. So they used to learn the dancing, the movements and all that. So this was the dance room of our school. This is the dance faculty or the music part of the school faculty. Now I am moving towards the home science lab, which is proposed for the class 11th and 12th as a subject. So we have proposed this lab here, and she is our teacher who is looking after this aspect, science of home, just to cook something, to tell them how to have the table manners, eating habits and all that stuff, and certain other more complicated things according to the syllabus are also being taught. We are having this provision for the senior classes, the proposed senior classes. So this was the home science. Now we are moving towards the language lab now, and this is the combined room for the languages, both the language we have English and Hindi. Certain wall boards you can also see, which help the student just to catch up the certain things about the languages. So this is the language lab of SMR International School, where they used to come once a week or as per their schedule, just to do some practical work of the language here. So let us move towards the next lab, that is the commerce lab. This is the proposed lab for the class 11-12, and this is the preparation done by the teachers for taking the commerce classes. So this was the proposed a lab for the commerce department, where the practical things along with the theory we can make understand the students actually what happens in the market or in the business or the industry, in the banking, in the trade, and practically the experiences are being done here in this lab. This is our expectation, and that's why this lab has been set up by the school for the proposed class 11th and 12th commerce stream. This is for the junior classroom for the junior students. Now I will take to you on this virtual visit of our school to the geography cum SST lab, and here we have our two faculty. This is the effort done by the SMR International School to give the practical and creative approach to the student, whatever the teachers are teaching them in the classes with the small projects and the plannings. And here in this room they feel different, and when they come and they do the things by themselves and they are getting the different information with the help of the things displayed in this lab, it helps them just to understand the subject very nicely. So this is the effort done by the school as per the directions or the instructions of the CBSE. We will move towards the computer lab of our school, and I want to tell you that everybody love to come here to do certain type of the things. This is the computer lab on the ground floor, and let us visit this lab virtually. This was a very rich, well-equipped lab of SMR International School. Here, not only the senior student used to come as per the timetable or the schedule, the junior student also used to come, and Poonam ma'am is going to, Sonia ma'am is going to look after those students in the computers. Now, after virtually visiting this computer lab, let us move. This is the classroom for the first class students. You can see here the furniture is also well set for them. Now I will move towards the next Adam block of our school, and this is the admission cell or the account office of our school. Here the concerned officer used to sit just to do the account work, and this is the room where the accounting and data type of the record and all that is being maintained in this room. This is the account office of our school. Now let us move towards the next segment of the Adam block, that is our accounts department, and certain staff clerks etc. They are also sitting and they are using they are doing their work over here. So this is the account section of our school, and how they used to maintain the record and the fee and all that type of stuff is being done over here. And this is our the short gallery for the different activities which we had conducted before this corona. These are the certain activities you can see which we organize generally in the school to develop the student in all the sphere of the life, which is known as the all-round development of the student. We used to take care of those all stuff, and these are the certain memories of the student who won certain prestigious awards and the competitions. This is also here for their motivation, that they feel they have to move more forward. And after that, let us move again back to the school reception. After covering the whole school, we are again in the reception. So this was a brief about my school, SMR International School, where we try not only the theoretical part of the studies or the curriculums, rather we believe that students should have the practical approach also, because for a school, for a very good class, we have 3 points, that is the joyful learning, creative and critical learning. So this can be done only with these provisions which we tried in our school to cover up. So with this, the virtual visit of our this school is over, and I am very much thankful to you, all the committee members, observer of the CBSE, that they have with me during this virtual inspection of my school. Thank you very much for your time to being with us. Thank you very much.